Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the image widget in Elementor. This is one of the most fundamental tools you'll use when building pages in WordPress, and mastering it will give you full control over how images appear and behave on your site. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. From there, select Add Page to create a new page, then click Edit with Elementor. This launches the Elementor Page Builder interface where you'll do all your design work. Now look at the widget panel on the left side of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type image. This will filter the available widgets and bring up the image widget immediately. Once you see it, either click on it or drag it directly onto your desired section or column on the canvas. The widget will appear with a placeholder image, which is just a temporary visual until you upload your own. Next, click on the placeholder image itself. This opens the media library where all your site's images are stored. You'll see a button that says Choose Image, so go ahead and click that. Here you have two options. You can either click Upload Files to add a brand new image from your computer, or you can select an existing image from your media library if you've already uploaded something before. Choose whichever works for your needs and confirm your selection. After your image is inserted, you'll want to adjust its resolution. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Image Resolution and select the size that best fits your page layout. This is important because it affects both the visual quality and the loading speed of your page. Now head over to the Style tab at the top of the widget settings. This is where you control the dimensions of your image. You can adjust the width, max width, and height using the sliders or by typing in specific values. Play around with these until your image looks just right within the layout. Once you're happy with the styling, switch over to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Align Self. Here you can choose whether your image aligns to the start, center, or stretch within its container. This helps you position the image exactly where you want it in relation to other elements on the page. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click the Publish button or select Save Draft beside it at the upper right of the page. This saves all your changes and makes your image live on the site. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an image using Elementor's image widget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.